Okay, there you go. This one is finished for you, Steve. I got to just bare metal foil it here and there, and that's it for this baby. Hope you like it. Polished to the max. It was a lot of work because there's a lot of curves on that body, so. And again, I didn't use the urethane clear this time, so it's a little bit more work trying to polish all this stuff. But there it is, man. It's all there for you. And this one we could put it under the sun a little bit because there's no metallics on it, so that's pretty good right there. Trying to see if I can catch a better angle here. There it is. That's a resin hood right there. I would have preferred the stock hood. I'm more of a muscle car, a factory stock kind of a builder. But this one does look really, really good on it. You want to do something a little drag or something like that, street rod or some shit like that. Looks good.